That's Maya.
We're going to do a makeup tutorial.
Yup.
Random junk.
Random junk.
Okay.
I shall start.
You shall start.
So you take some junk. And you put it on your junk. And it'll be all beautiful. Now watch.
She's using a green pencil eyeliner. A berry aqua. Let's be like the fancy people and be like, this is Wet n Wild's kohl eyeliner. Kajal Contour, this you. And it's number 659C. It's turquoise, to put it in normal people language.
Normal people language. But in our language, we just call it
695C.
random junk.
Random junk on your junk.
Put some junk on your junk all like that.
Your waterline.
Yup.
Yeah, that.
You put some junk right here.
We need music.
Music. Ah, kill it.
I shall put it on Panic at the Disco.
Yeah, boy.
Copyright. I do not own this music. Well, I own it on CD, but you know. It's
Not
pirated. It's all good.
Yeah, buddy. And then, yeah, it's all good. And then you put some over here. Like that. Yup. Like that. And then you go like, woo. Beautiful. And then you want to put some eyeshadow on your junk.
Tell them what color.
Purple.
Purple. Are you using the Claire's Penguin? Oh, you're using Rimmel?
Yes. Be all like, move, 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 move. The end. Then you can mix it with this penguin.
With this penguin. It's from Claire's. I want it. And by one, I mean steal. No, I want it.
You just gotta open it. I did it.
Oh, those are my Chinese fortunes. Chinese people scare us.
Very much. Okay, so then you just take this white junk.
That's racist.
Notice that there's no black. Yet.
That's racist.
But there's lots of white. Lots of it.
White majority.
You just put it over the purple and junk.
And you make it gorgeous.
You make it beautiful.
Yeah.
And then you put some blue. Make it all like, ah. And then you can do green on top of that.
And if you want to tone it down, just use the lighter green.
And if you want to tone it up, use the darker green. We pile on more.
You got a little junk on your junk right there.
Yup, that's supposed to be there.
Now show them a close-up of your gorgeousness.
Yeah.
Eyeball,
Yup.
Okay, hi, Maya. Okay. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use, I don't want purple. You use turquoise, right? Is this turquoise? I'm gonna use cool green. Still Wet n Wild, yeah? Gonna put that junk on your junk. Okay, I can't see, I'm blind. Here's my eye. There it is. Ow, I stabbed myself. I'm really bad at this.
Here's a quick tip. If you want to make your face look less ugly, use this.
Whatever it is.
Just some junk.
Just some junk.
You can buy it at your local Walmart.
Probably. This junk is painful on my junk. So if you have sensitive waterline junk,
then we suggest you don't.
Put it on.
Yes.
Now, from the penguin, these colors are in a disarray. I'm gonna use the dark green on my junk. I'm just gonna put it on my junk. Like that. And you put it up to your crease thing. And then I use the dark green for that. And then I'm gonna use this light blue